So welcome back again. So if you are looking to pass your CKA exams, then you're actually on the right place. I help engineers like you also clear the CKA exams without needing to over prepare. And in case you don't know me, I'm the founder of CodeJanitor, and I'm also recently CKA certified. So let's jump right into solving one of the questions that CKA loves to throw at your way. So one of the questions that you will see during your exams day will be around the custom resource definitions. And basically what the custom resource definition does is just to help us extend the Kubernetes resources. And then on this task that you will face on your exams is mainly going to be on the set manager, and the set manager is also basically help us creating and renewing our SSL or TLS certificates in short. So let's jump right into solving such a question. So when you get a question, it can say create a list of all set manager custom resource definition and save it to an output file. If I were you, I would carefully skim through the question, and then I would start by solving it step by step, because the CKA exams is in such a way that you just need to solve it in a sequential order. So the first task that this one is asking of us is to list all set manager for the custom resource definition. So let's go into our playground and set up our environment. So that's the first thing we need to do now. And again, if you need access to the same materials that we are using to practice, you can get it in the description down below. And remember, please and please and please again, you need to practice. Don't just watch the video, because without the practice you can't get the experience that you need to clear the exams. So let's go to the playground, and then we'll create the prep file. So prep.sh, and then I'll paste the code here, save the file, give the executable permission, and then I'll run the prep file. Now let's create our check file. So check file.sh, save the file, and then I will give it also executable permissions, check, and then we will run it. Let's run it. Now we can see we are not meeting the task yet, so let's clear the screen. Okay, so let's go back to the question. Now it says we need to list all set manager for custom resource definition. So basically just get all the CRDS. Okay, get CRDS. Nice. Now we need to get a CRDS for this set manager. So clear the screen again, and then with the same command, get CRDS, and then you pipe it, and then say grep -I, and then you paste set manager here, run it. Now we have the set manager that we need to save to the output file. So I would run the same command again, and then I would output it to this file, output it to the resource.YAML file. Now let's verify. So cat and then resource.YAML. Now we have it here. Good. Now we'll move on to the next task. Now the next task is saying using the kubectl, extract the documentation for the subject specification field of the certificate custom resource and save the output to the subject.YAML file. this is very tricky. During my first time, I couldn't solve this question because after listing all the set manager files, I panicked, and then I couldn't solve the second part, but I got some marks for it. But I want you to also be able to come prepared and be able to solve it, because when you see this question, please don't panic. Just be strong and go through it, because it's just very simple. Okay, so again, read the question carefully and understand what it's asking of you. It says, using the kubectl, extract the documentation for the subject specification field. No problem. So all we need to do is explain. We need to explain. So we need the resource. So explain -h, and then now when we run the help, we can see all the resources that we can get help for. So we can explain the deployment, the port, but now this one we need the explanation for certificates. So certificate. I spelled it wrong. Certificate. Nice. So now we have the explanation for the certificate, but this is not the whole content that we are asked to save. So set, and then what do we need? We need the spec, not meta, not kind, not API version. We need to go for the spec, and then in the spec, now we have the subject field here that we can also append here. I'll clear the screen, and then I will run it again. .subject, boom. So this is all we need to do. So I'll clear the screen again. This is the command that we need to get the certificate spec field. So explain certificate.spec.subject, and then we just output it to this file. It says, what is the file name? subject.yaml. Now you save it there. Let's verify. Cat subject.yaml. Boom. You've done your task, and then you are actually done for this. So let's verify. So run the check file to verify. Now we can see we've successfully passed this task, and now you can also bank in these full points on your exams day. So I hope this helps you a lot, and then you'll be able to clear the exams when you see the CRDS question on the set manager. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that we can also reach more engineers and help. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next one.